The last I saw him was this morning when we were discussing.
The Prime Minister, while responding to questions from MTV, brushed aside any of the claims.
He's very much Deputy Prime Minister, inactive. He's very much our Attorney General functioning, so don't believe in negativities that has been in the public space.
In spite of the confirmation, leaked documents proved his indecisiveness. The head of the National Executive Council, who is the Prime Minister, removed his deputy's ministry and 24 hours later retracted the decision. The Deputy Prime Minister says whatever the outcome, it's up to the men at the top of the political chain to decide.
The appointment of ministers and of course the position of Deputy Prime Minister is the absolute prerogative of the Prime Minister. And that we must acknowledge. That is a very good position where I think in terms of governance, it must be a decision that the Prime Minister makes. Any Prime Minister must be allowed to express that decision wherever he sees fit.
Mr. Stevens says whoever takes the job in the future must maintain the office in the highest degree.
Whoever comes into the office of Minister for Justice and Attorney General must be willing to be uncompromising and to stand up. And you are managing the judiciary, you are managing the civil service, you are managing the way governments operate, you are managing the debates in Parliament. So it's a very high calling. And I'm happy to say that the current Prime Minister has a choice. You know, he's got a lot of good lawyers around in cabinet, and he will choose somebody amongst us. But that day has not come, although there's all these speculations. When he does come, or if he does come, then that's for another day.
Rayon Lakingu National, MTV News.